I would like to explain you what you should look for and when you purchase the acoustic windows. First of all, obviously the product. The product is very important if you want to have good performance and have a quiet space like we have here. You would have to have a very good product to start with. Here we have our top of the range imitation sash with 51 dB triple glaze units. So the product is the first thing. You can check our other videos regarding the products and how to choose them in a link below. But secondly is the installation process. Obviously you start with a good product. It's all good and well, but it needs to be fit properly. The way we do it, so our windows are fitted with a acoustic low expanding tapes facing the outside of the building. That seals really well, not only for noise, but as well from any other weather conditions, draft and water. Then externally we put acoustic sealants, and if we have wall like we have here, we would put cement pointing around and silicons around. Then from the inside, the whole space that you can see here behind that timber, it's a low expanding acoustic foam. That foam itself is rated at 63 dB, and it makes a massive difference. All the areas, there is no single gap around the fitting, so it's a very tight fit. There's not a little gap that will allow any sound in. That makes the whole unit working exactly how it should. Normally the standard double glazed companies, or even some companies that fit acoustic windows, they will not pay enough attention to the fitting. They will do everything according to building regulations, so there will be watertight, there will be no much draft, but the sound, if things are not filled 100%, the sound will still find its way, and it makes a massive difference. Just to show you the difference, what I would like to do now, I will just loose the seals here a little bit, so the window will be still closed, but you will hear how the street sounds if there is a little bit of gap. Oh, now the traffic is on a standstill, but oh, there's a car coming. So gap, no gap. If there is a little gap around the windows, that's the kind of loss of performance you will expect. So just pay attention to it and make sure that you have the right products to start with and that it's properly fitted.